Hey there, awesome third graders! Are you ready to become a super student? I've got something really cool to tell you about my brand new course called Test Practice with Olympiad Solved Sample Paper Grade 3. Sounds like a big name, right? Don't worry, this is your perfect buddy for practicing all the subjects you learn at school, but in a way that's actually fun and not boring at all. So, what's inside? Let me take you on a quick tour. There are 6 exciting lessons. First up, we have reading, where you'll discover cool stories and answer questions to test your reading superpowers. Next is language, packed with games that grow your vocabulary and grammar skills, so you can be a word wizard. Then, get your pencils ready for math. You'll solve puzzles and problems that make numbers easy peasy. After that comes science, where you'll find out amazing facts about the world around you. And don't forget social studies. It's full of fun questions about people, places, and history. And guess what? If you ever get stuck, there's an answer key at the end to help you check your work, like having a secret helper by your side. This book is like a quiz game that makes you smarter, more confident, and super ready for your next big challenge. So, are you excited to start learning with me? Let's jump in and have some fun together. Click the link below to join and let's get practicing. See you inside, superstar.